Hello, Lola's Tasty Kitchen here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make icing sugar for personal and commercial use using two basic ingredients. So let's get started. You're probably wondering why I added cornstarch. Yeah, that's to prevent our icing sugar from caking. But hold up, wait a minute. Your cornstarch shouldn't be more than 5% of the total weight. In this case, we're using 200 grams of sugar. That's why we use 10 grams of cornstarch. Just repeat the process over and over again depending on the quantity you need. And if you want to use it for commercial purpose, just look for a local grinder around you. All these women that grind dry things like gari, anything dry, they can actually help you do it. Then you add your cornstarch, then you're good to go. Package it the way you like it. But jokes apart, if you haven't subscribed and you think this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe. It will help me, it will inspire me. Thank you and God bless you.